Indonesia has recently experienced catastrophic flooding due to the overflowing of the Sungai Keroh and Sungai Irang rivers in the Bumiyau district of Keroh province. Heavy rainfall over several hours caused the rivers to swell, inundating vast areas of land, homes, and roads. These floods in Bumiyau have resulted in significant property damage and the displacement of hundreds of residents to temporary shelters. Rescue teams in Indonesia are continuing their efforts to evacuate those affected by the floods and provide humanitarian and food aid. Indonesian authorities confirmed that the floods in Keroh were caused by heavy monsoon rains that led to the overflowing of the Sungai Keroh and Sungai Irang rivers, resulting in the destruction of homes, roads, and bridges, and power outages in many areas. Field reports indicate that the 2025 Indonesian floods are among the most severe the country has experienced this year. Floodwaters have inundated farmland, causing significant losses for farmers, while heavy rains continue in Bumiyau, increasing the risk of landslides in mountainous areas. Indonesian meteorologists have warned of continued thunderstorms that could trigger further flooding in other provinces, such as Keroh and Central Java. They stress the urgent need for measures to monitor river levels and strengthen drainage systems to minimize damage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aduh, kasihan. Kasihan Hati-hati, Pak. Waduh. Wah, astaga. Banjir bandang. Banjir bandang. Oh, warga-warga sadayana, yuk wilayah Kabupaten Cianjur Selatan. Beres hari ini, hari Rabu tanggal 4. Hari Rabu tanggal 4 lagi banjir bandang. Wassalamualaikum.
Paipor, Kadupandak, Cianjur Selatan. Air makin besar.
Many residents in Bumiyau, Krabies, have expressed their suffering from the floods, stating that their homes were submerged and their belongings destroyed. They appealed to the government for urgent support in the reconstruction of damaged infrastructure. Authorities are currently working to rehabilitate roads and remove mud and debris left by the severe flooding in Indonesia. This latest disaster underscores the challenges Indonesia faces due to climate change, as floods and storms have become more frequent and intense in recent years. The Bumiyau floods serve as a stark warning about the need to strengthen national preparedness for natural disasters and improve infrastructure in vulnerable areas. Please share this video with your friends, support us with a like, and subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Thank you for watching.
Jalan ini ngasih kok